Hello, welcome. So we're going to graph another parabola using its properties. Okay, so let's start looking at how it turns. Okay, so our A is 1, which is positive, right? That means it's going to turn up, right? Then let's find the vertex and axis of symmetry. So we start with h equals negative b over 2a. A is 1, B is 6, and C is negative 9. Alright, so we have negative 6 over 2 times 1, which gives me negative 3. Alright, so the axis of symmetry is at x equals negative 3. Alright, now we're going to find the y value of the vertex. So we plug this into the function. So we have negative 3 squared plus 6 times negative 3 minus 9. 9 minus 18 minus 9. Negative 9 minus 9 is negative 18. Right? So the vertex is at negative 3 and negative 18. That's the vertex. All right. Okay, so let's start graphing. I think I'm gonna need to change my axis here. If I do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Make it every 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. There you go, that's better. Okay, so we're gonna do the axis of symmetry is at negative 3. So this is that vertical line, which is really not part of the graph, but it helps us use symmetry to fill in some of the blanks. Alright, and the vertex is at negative 3, negative 18. So it's all the way down here, and then I know it turns up, so I have plenty of room to draw it. Okay, let's find some details. So we're going to find the y-intercept. Alright, so we plug in x is 0. We get 0, 0 minus 9. So 0, negative 9. Alright, so 0, negative 9 is my y-intercept. We go on the other side, so this is 3 units away from the axis of symmetry. We go 3 units in the other direction and draw another point. Now we're going to find the X-intercepts. There's going to be 2 because it has to cross. And so we have x squared plus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. I don't think this factors. So let's do the quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2a. Right. Okay, so this is going to be negative 6 plus or minus 36 plus 36 divided by 2. Negative 6 plus or minus 72 divided by 2. This is negative 6 plus or minus, 72 is 36 times 2. So 6 squared of 2 over 2. Divide everything by 2, so we get negative 3 plus 3 squared of 2 and negative 3 minus 3 squared of 2. Alright, now the radicals are not very useful if I'm graphing, so I'm going to approximate this in the calculator. Okay, so we have negative 3 plus 3 squared of 2. This gives me 1.24. 1.2 is fine. And I have negative 3 minus 3 square root of 2. We get negative 7.2. Okay? So 1.2 is about here. Negative 7.2 is about here. Okay, again, you see that these are same distance away from the vertex. Okay, so I think this is enough points. You can pick more if you want, but I can go through here, and then on the other side, here's my parabola. Okay, that's it.